Welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're gonna make pad thai and we can't wait to show you what to do. I'm the lead chef this time, so it's definitely a new experience for me, but I think this dish is so good, so we're gonna try it. All right, let's check it out.
Halfway to Mexico, halfway to Tokyo, on this open road.
Okay, we're using really thin rice noodles, but usually with pad thai, you use a rice noodle that's like a medium size. So we're gonna put it into this boiling water. We're starting by putting our chicken into the pan and cooking it. While we wait for our noodles to get soft. Now we're adding the vegetables to let them cook a little bit more as our chicken is cooking. So you want your chicken to have this brown look. I personally like I don't like the pale chicken. You want it to be crispy. I want it to be crispy, but this is my interpretation. You can make your chicken however you want. Now we're covering it with ice water to stop the noodles from cooking.
Make it real good. Oh my God. Switch to a spoon.
Maybe it's not being done. Okay, last but not least. Here's our final product, and now we are going to plate it. The best part is the lime, so squeeze on some lime. Now let's taste it. Tastes so good. No, but it really does. All right, let us know if you want to try it at home.
Halfway to Mexico, halfway to Tokyo.